While we're all stuck at home and yearning for things to keep us occupied during coronavirus isolation, we thought we'd put a list together of the best LEGO car sets you can buy right now. LEGO has always been our go-to crux, and these exquisite builds are so incredibly close to the original cars that from a distance you can almost get away with thinking you own the real things. They're detailed, realistic, and some of these Technic kits even have working parts such as engines and gearboxes. Feast your eyes as we take you through 5 of the best LEGO kits you can buy right now. This is Alex from Grand Tour Nation, and this is a top 5 list of LEGO kits you need right now. Number 5, the Land Rover Defender. We're so glad to see the Defender on our roads again after years of the iconic 4x4 missing from the Land Rover portfolio. This LEGO Technic kit is incredibly detailed with what's said to be the most sophisticated gearbox ever to be put in a kit, with selectable high and low gear ratios. You also get an inline 6-cylinder engine and working independent suspension. The winch also works, as does the 4-wheel drive system with 3 working differentials. This is 2,573 pieces of pure LEGO heaven and comes in at $299. Number 4, the smartphone controlled Top Gear rally car. Not only does this LEGO kit look great, but thanks to the wonders of modern technology, you can connect it to your phone to turn this LEGO kit into a drivable car. While it's not necessarily based on anything, it certainly looks the part with a large rear wing, cibbies up front sat above the front wing, and big fat tyres covered by muscly arches. At a price of only $130, this could be the perfect gift to help someone get over their isolation blues, whether it's a child or a child at heart, like me. Number 3, the Fiat 500. While this isn't a Technic kit, this cute little classic 500 consists of everything you'd find in the 1960s model, including an air-cooled engine, a spare tyre, a roof opening, and a travel suitcase. It comes complete with 960 pieces and could be the perfect model to put some time into. You might have to get one just to put on the desk. You can buy it right now from LEGO for only $90. Number 2, the Batmobile. With the new Batman film on its way and the new Batmobile finally, revealed, we thought we'd embrace our inner child and love for the old films by showing you one of our favourite, possibly the best, Batmobile LEGO kit. This Tim Burton version of the Dark Knight's whip was used in the 1989 film Batman, and the LEGO kit comes with almost everything seen in the film. Slide open cockpit, a detailed cabin, pop-up machine guns, grappling hooks, and bat-themed hubcaps. At 3,306 pieces, it's the second largest car kit LEGO does, and will be able to soak up your time. I think it's safe to say we all want one of these sat where we can see it. Buy it now for $250. And finally, number 1, the Bugatti Chiron. Top of our list sits the legendary Bugatti Chiron. Not only is the real car worth $3 million and sits at the very top of the automotive food chain, so does the LEGO kit. It's big, with 3,599 pieces and a 1:18 scale, and thanks to it being a Technic, almost everything works. It has a functional top speed key that lowers the rear wing to the car's top speed position, a fully functioning 8-speed transmission, and a W16 engine with moving pistons. Plus, what's even cooler is the way you put it together mirrors the way the Bugatti factory assembles the real thing. Nerd out with this kit and revel in the fact you've only spent 0.012% of the real Chiron's price tag. That's $345. Thanks so much for watching this video. Me and the GTN team, our writers, editors, we all wish you good health in this worrying time. Stay safe, stay inside, and show us what LEGO kits you're building by @ing us on Twitter at Grand Tour Nation. Take care.